And families of victims of last month's Ethiopian Airlines crash have been warned against signing any documents removing liability on the aircraft manufacturer Boeing. Lawyer Waweru Kihara says the families risk losing out on sufficient compensation. Kihara has since partnered with American law firm Girardi and Keese to offer free legal services to families of the victims. Chemutai Goin reports.
March 10th this year, 6 minutes after taking off from Bole International Airport, Ethiopian Airlines flight ET302 went down, killing 157 people. 36 of those were Kenyans. Families now awaiting the completion of the DNA identification process. Some families have opted to sue aircraft manufacturer Boeing. For Kenyan lawyers, aviation is an uncharted territory. That is why Waweru Kihara has partnered with American firm Girardi and Keese to help families for free.
We should not ask the families for any monies up front. No, for any monies should we not win. Those costs will be covered when we win these cases.
Waweru now warning families to watch out and not unknowingly surrender their right to pursue legal action against Boeing, who, according to the lawyer, are trying to manage their losses by quickly settling with the families.
And I think it's great that the CEO of Boeing has offered an apology. CEOs don't do that because it's like an admission.
They should be forced in through a court process to release the full reports of the investigations that are going on, and the DNA reports that should come, and the families to have full closure, and importantly to allow courts to supervise this process of compensation of awards.
The Montreal Convention of 1999 will be the guiding principle to ascertain the airline's liability, which will give direction on compensation.
What area of profession was he carrying? Was he involved in? Was he a lawyer, and how much the lawyer usually earned? Was he a doctor? There are so many babies that were unfortunate in that plane. They could have lived up to 70, right? They were months old, others were just a few years old. So unfortunate. We don't know what they could have become. They could become the president. So those are factors that are factored in, and such you end up some people earning much more compensation awards.
In this particular case, the lawyers will not file a class suit. Boeing will be sued by each family independently. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV.